Welcome to USA Green Card Approved, your trusted guide to U.S. immigration success. Looking to get a U.S. green card? Whether you're applying through family, work, as an international student, a religious worker, or as a victim of abuse under VAWA, we share clear information, real stories, and step-by-step help made for you. We simplify the process and equip you with information approval of your green card. Subscribe now. Your journey starts here.
Your I-140 has just been approved. You're so excited, but wait a minute. I just got married after the approval of my I-140. What happens to my spouse? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gertrude Onuoha. Today I'll be answering that wonderful question. You just got married after the I-140 has been approved. What can you do? Do you leave your spouse out or you wait until you become a green card holder? Guys, these are questions I'll be answering today. And I am Gertrude Onuoha. I am a licensed immigration attorney from the state of New York. We service clients within and outside the United States. And today I'll be providing you immigration information for your transformation. Now, you have an approved I-140. Voila! Congratulations. That's beautiful. It shows that you are on track for your green card. Now, you got married after the I-140 was approved. So you never mentioned your spouse. You never talked about your spouse. As a matter of fact, when you answered the question, you told them you were single. And now you are married. What happens to your spouse who is also a foreign person and is not a green card holder? So, of course, if your spouse is a green card holder, you don't need to worry about anything. Just update the record and provide that information. But it becomes very, very interesting where your wife or your spouse is somebody who is a foreign person and needs to be filed for. So they become your dependent. And if you have an approved I-140, wait until your case becomes current. So once your case becomes current, you would submit an application for yourself, your green card application for yourself and for your wife. What does it mean when we say your case becomes current? It means that your priority date is current. Your priority date is the date when USCIS received your I-140 petition. And perhaps visa is not available, you have to be on the queue. When visa becomes available based on the date when you filed, then you can now move forward with your green card application. Before then, you cannot submit your green card application. If you submit your green card application before it becomes current, you are just dashing your money to the government. And if you're lucky, they may reject it. And if they don't reject it, they may accept it and keep your file there. And you may be thinking that you're going to get something. And after a long time, they deny your case and you don't get any benefit. And that's very heart-wrenching. Now, you are now married. Essentially, you have to establish that there is a genuine marriage between you and your spouse. So you have to establish that this is a good faith marriage. What that means is that you're not just adding your friend's name to the application so that she can get a green card, right? No, this is a good faith marriage. So you have to show your civil documents, you have to show that this marriage, you live together, you share a life together, and you intend to be together for the rest of your life. Of course, that's the intent, right? You have to show that there's an intent to share your lives together. And of course, this is a good faith marriage. Okay, so that's very, very important. Once you have put together all the paperwork, you have to put a separate application for your wife, and of course link the entire application showing that your spouse is your beneficiary. Okay, you have to establish that she is your or he is your beneficiary. You would submit two separate green card applications and allow USCIS to do their thing. They would investigate, work on the case, and then they may call you for an interview. I've seen cases where they do call for interview just to check you out and make sure that indeed this is a bona fide marriage and not a sham marriage. Now, if you have submitted your green card application and then you get married after that, you still have to, and there's no decision yet on your green card application as the principal applicant. Then you can always add a separate application for your spouse to link up the application, show all the paperwork that this marriage is a bona fide marriage. And this would also be applicable even when you are doing a consular processing outside the United States. If you're processing your green card from outside the United States, you still have to establish that this person you are bringing on board is indeed your spouse and not just somebody that's fake. You have to show that it's a real marriage, and there are many ways of showing that. You have to show your marriage certificate, you have to show photographs, you have to show anything that helps you prove that this is a legitimate marriage. And once you do that and they are satisfied, of course, they would most times approve all the applications together after an interview, and both of you can now start living your lives in the United States as a married couple. Guys, if you have any questions regarding this, feel free to give me a call at 212-516-8137, or you can post your question here. I'll try my best to answer the question. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with others who may be interested in the video. And of course, hit that notification button so that when we upload new videos, you can be notified. Again, if you have any question, feel free to go to our website, go-attorney.com. We will try as much as possible to answer your question and of course consult with you on your case. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you at another time. Bye-bye. I hope you found valuable information today. At the Law Office of Gertrude Onuoha, we are committed to providing you with clear, useful information to help you on your immigration journey. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our clients say.
It was a great experience working with the Law Office of Gertrude Onuoha. She supported me all through my journey of getting my green card and was available to answer my questions. I will surely recommend her.
I had the privilege of working with the Law Office of Gertrude Onuoha for my National Interest Waiver Program, and I can't express enough gratitude for her exceptional services. Thanks to her expertise, dedication, and strategic guidance, my NIW was approved smoothly and efficiently. I highly recommend her.
I attended a Zoom conference hosted by attorney Gertrude Onuoha by chance. After hearing her detailed explanations and client testimonials, I consulted with her. Despite my uncommon research field, she and her team took the time to understand every detail. Thanks to their professionalism and thorough work, my EB-2 NIW application was successful. I highly recommend their services.